Yep. Hicham veut faire une vidéo, on va le laisser faire. Okay. C'est qui lui? Who's this young man?
It's me, Hicham. Okay, everybody. I'm crazy today, so you don't tell me nothing, okay? And look at that little boy.
Okay.
Yeah. Is he cool? Yeah, he's cool. Oh, you see that guy, man? You see
Hello,
him?
mister. How are you today?
Good, man.
We're gonna go on a pirate ship. I'm gonna call them now. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
And we're gonna go to the park trip, and my
What's
mom's
that?
in the office.
What's that?
That's our call. That's our GPS.
Yeah, so we know where we're going. All right,
Yep.
man.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah. Okay. First, I gotta take
Press again.
this.
Yeah, press.
Not yet. I'm not finished.
You're way too
Oh
close.
yeah.
You're way too close. Here. This little boy, he doesn't know how this machine works. I gotta show him, right? Okay. But he's cute. Look at him. Nice.